Kenia, and there's
Kevin.
Kevin, the birthday boy. And for his birthday, we decided to visit lovely, lovely Key West, Florida. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Honey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ah.
Thank you.
How old are you? Are you scared to tell the folks how old you are?
No, I'm 58.
Oh, 58 years young.
Yeah.
I'm not 58. I'm 48. I mean 38. 28. I'm 18. I feel 18. We've been in Key West for just about a day now. We rented a house down here, and the house is just off of this lovely, lovely dock. I don't know, if we had a boat, we could park here, I guess.
Yeah.
Right? But anyway, we've got lots of activities scheduled for today. First, we're going to go on to a food tour of Key West, a seafood tour, because if you guys know me, you know how much I love seafood. And then we'll just walk around and see what Key West is all about. And I was thinking, honey, that for dinner tonight, I don't know, should we try to find some oysters? Yeah, this one loves oysters, so we're gonna try to find some oysters to celebrate his birthday. And then yeah, so that's a full round of activities for the day, and we're excited to get started.
I'm your tour guide, and I'd like to welcome you all to the historic Seaport tour. Do you have any first timers in Key West? All right, welcome. Welcome back. So we're going to be together for the next 2.5 hours. We should get a nice little introduction. So if you don't mind, very loudly, can you state your first name and the city that you're from?
Well, we are Kenia and Kevin, and we're from Philadelphia.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We start off here at Garbos with a fresh catch fillet of mahi. And you guys get to try it taco style. This is one of the most unique and best tacos Key West has to offer.
So this is grilled mahi. Mahi.
Lightly seasoned with mango.
Lightly seasoned with mango.
The sides are lime and the jalapeno.
I can't remember what kind of sauce he said there.
Okay.
It's a taco. It's a taco.
So you immediately taste the grill.
Oh, okay.
And then the sweet hits you. Mine with the jalapeno.
Okay.
I'm feeling the heat. It's not that bad. No seeds on it. So you got a little bit of spice and then the mango.
Here to try our Florida Spiny Lobster. Marine lobster is a cold water species. It's very sweet and delectable. It's got pinchers. It has meat in the pinchers as well as in its body. And that's what we mostly consume on the East Coast. Well, the lobster that you're getting ready to try, our Florida Spiny Lobster, is on the complete opposite end of the flavor profile. Instead of you trying a sweet lobster today, you're gonna get a savory lobster. And our lobsters don't have pinches. They're a warm water species that's savory and delectable in its own right. Just completely opposite of what your brains and your palates are used to. On the tour today happens to be Bagatell's infamous lobster mac and cheese.
Yum.
This dish is pretty much the most sought out dish by locals down here. And this dish is comprised of lobster medallions with a cavatappi pasta and a 4-cheese bechamel sauce with grated Parmesan cheese on top.
So we're eating our lobster mac and cheese. It's delicious. How does yours taste like?
It's that savory. That's sweet.
I think it definitely tastes like lobster though.
Yeah.
I think it's delicious.
For your next tasting of Lagerhead, we're here to try the #1 sold sandwich in the Keys called the authentic Cuban Sandwich. This is a sandwich that's comprised of a slow roasted pork with ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, yellow mustard on a pressed Cuban bread. Let's head up there.
Excited for that. Ready for my Cuban sandwich.
The ham and the cheese. And the pork. So it tastes like, because of the mustard, like a pastrami
Oh,
and
okay.
pickle.
Yeah.
Definitely savory, warm. Pretty good sandwich.
All right, so here it goes.
It's supposed to be the best.
It's very good. Very mustardy. I definitely taste the mustard and the pickle, which I think that really is sort of like the foundation of the Cuban sandwich, right? That really kind of gives it its flavor. But this is delicious. So we are on the marina here, and lots of boats. So it's so funny. We've been here in Key West now for a couple of days, and I've not seen one beach other than the beach that we just saw. But you see lots and lots of boats. So I think it's just all about the fishing here. Everybody does deep sea fishing and party boating. It's like a cute little area, huh?
Yeah.
The marina?
Right down on the wharf.
Yeah. I mean, boats galore.
I'm saying.
But this is the historic Seaport that we're on right now. And I wanted to stop here because this is a tour that you guys happen to be on today, so you might as well know where the Seaport actually exists. And this is known as the foundation to Key West because we had 3 major industries that were created right here, and that happens to be our sponging industry, our sea turtle industry, and our shrimping industry. And then we came upon our own shrimp, which you guys get to taste on your next stop today. We have 100 feet deep what's called tortugas pink shrimp. And the reason why they call it pink shrimp is because it's the only shrimp that come out of water already pink in color without having to cook it up. And the reason they are pink in color is because of the color of our coral and sand that they hide underneath. But they're found about 100 feet deep. They're average size of jumbo shrimp. And imported shrimp that we normally consume take about 8 to 12 minutes to cook up before they're ready to eat. Ours takes 4 minutes. And you guys get to try them next at the seafood market. Now we do have other shrimp that's local here called Royal Reds. And they're found 1,000 feet deep in our waters, which is very dangerous to fish for. So you won't find it all over the island, but you will find it in 2 places. I'm going to show you what they look like when I take you to the market right now. And then you have the Congo Republic that has a specific fisherman that goes out just for Royal Reds. Now you can come here to get your Royal Reds, but they won't be on the menu. The reason being is they don't have enough supply for the demand that it would bring. So if you sit down at the table or sit down at the bar, you have to ask your bartender or your server for order of Royal Reds, and they'll make them up for you.
having our dessert portion of the food tour. And of course, who could not, visit the Florida Keys and not get key lime pie? For the birthday boy. So how's the key lime pie go?
Definitely don't miss the lime in here.
No?
It's good. No preservatives, like they said. I mean, this is fresh. This is as fresh as it gets.
Yeah.
The crust is really good. Typical graham cracker, but man.